All right, let's do a video about LiveGood. Sound good? Okay. If you have any questions, let me give you my email address and contact info real quick, okay? First, let's pour ourselves a drink. All right, Cory at corydraper.com. I've had that email, God, 40 years, ever since America Online came out. So anyway, if you look at the middle of my screen, maybe that'll help you out. It's just Cory at corydraper.com. Also, guys, if you're watching my YouTube video here on my YouTube channel, you can comment right below this video. Also, just find me on Facebook. You can't miss me. All right, my smiling little face with my Santa beard. You can inbox me on Facebook as well, okay? Now, if you're interested in joining LiveGood as a member so you can get wholesale pricing on the products, awesome. But realize, for only $10 a month, $9.95 to be exact, you can be an affiliate, okay, where you can earn money. So, in my opinion, why not? Okay, why not just do a video like this, maybe shoot some email to some folks. You can TikTok, Instagram, maybe do a post on Facebook, all right? You don't have to do video. You can just simply bring up the products alone, and LiveGood sells itself. The opportunity sells itself. You got to remember this. LiveGood's 2 years old. There's a million videos that you can just point to that are just basically neutral, that talk about the products and the opportunity, especially when you join LiveGood as an affiliate. You have everything you need just to point and invite people to click, and let the videos do the recruiting, the explaining. You can see some of the LiveGood products on my little mini fridge right there. Okay, I can get any of those products, or let's say I always have my CBD oil right here. All right, I can talk about CBD oil, maybe do an example, or maybe I can make some coffee, mix a glass of, let's see, Super Reds and Super Greens, I think I can see over there. But, you know, there's already videos that explain everything about Super Reds, Super Greens, every single product. All right, the website obviously has the ingredients, how much wholesale, retail, how do you use the products, and then also the competition. You'll see our products are the highest grade quality, but we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale company. Okay, so when you do the $9.95 a month, guys, you're buying wholesale, and if you want, with permission, you can make a little website and sell the CBD oil. All right, obviously, you got to look into the guidelines or the laws or how legal it is to sell, let's say, CBD oil. But maybe coffee. All right, I know I have some coffee over there, or the Super Reds, but it's up to you. If you want to resell something as a business, obviously, look at all our products and see, can you sell them? Because you can buy them for wholesale. And if you can mark them up $10, $20, $30 and make a living or some side money, why not be just Mr. or Mrs. Retail of LiveGood? You can go to walmart.com, type in LiveGood, just one word, LiveGood, and you can see there's products, but they're retail. Walmart needs to obviously make a profit. They have massive overhead. All right, air conditioning, heat, payroll, insurance, shopping carts. Who knows what else? But, oh my gosh, they have to probably make $1 billion a day just to cover the heat alone in half their stores, okay? But if you have an inkling or an irk, you have a little ick or something on your shoulder saying, hey, I want to just resell products on Amazon, or maybe out of the back trunk of your car or online, you can with our company. All right, that's unheard of. Most companies that are structured, they're like, no, you can't sell the products at all. You can only sell them mouth to mouth, okay? But if you're caught advertising them on a Facebook page or maybe your own website or on Amazon, they'll just get rid of your account, okay? We're not that way. We're a company designed to sell for wholesale. And if you want to be an affiliate for $10 a month, it's $9.95. Guys, we profit on we commission on the membership side. Okay, please remember that. You don't have to buy any products and do levels of, let's say, $200 a month to get a commission of $100. Or some companies are like, okay, you need to sell $500 of products so you can get a $300 commission. Even if it was a $500 commission, but you had to sell $500 of products, wink, wink, nod, nod, you're still breaking even. Okay? Why not let the products sell themselves? They're the highest quality. You're not going to beat the value or the quality or the ingredients of LiveGood. You're just not. Okay? We have the most expensive ingredients in every product. organic. You guys just go to the website, please. All right, and I'll show you all this stuff in a little bit, but you're going to like our products. You're going to like the prices. You can even buy some Live Good hats and shirts and some other accessories, but most people like to enjoy the products just to benefit their, could be, high blood pressure? Maybe you're a little overweight. Do you have diabetes? Do you have aches and pains? Or do you just want to have energy? All right, so you can break dance. Look at that. I'm almost 60 and I can do some moves. All right, or strike. I got my new Cobra Kai. I bought a bunch of these. Some are shirts, some are sweatshirts, and some I have the sleeves on, and I cut the sleeves off this because I hate my arms with any type of cotton or anything on them. So anyway, yeah, if you want to fight like Cobra Kai, like Danielson and the Karate Kid, get your Live Good products. Yeah, we even have celebrities right now. We have Russell Brand, the actor, comedian. All right, you guys know Joe Rogan. Oh my gosh, Ben Shapiro. All right, we got some really cool people that are just endorsing and have embraced Live Good products. Even our CEO, Ben, he's all over Fox. If you watch Fox TV or listen to Fox on, let's say, Sirius XM or however you listen to Fox, you're going to hear Ben Glinsky, for 30 to 60-second ads talking about Live Good. All right, we're this close, guys, to being a household name. All right, that's pretty exciting. We're only 2 years old. We have almost 2 million people worldwide. Okay, we're doing about $15 million of wholesale sales per month. All right, so if you're thinking of joining now, and it's at the end of February, we're going into March of 2025 soon. But like I said, in just a little over 2 years, we got a few million people. We're in a couple hundred countries. All right, I'm in the top 30 out of the whole company out of 2 million people. I think I'm number 29 on the leaderboard. And all I do is keep things simple. I might do a video like this where I just talk maybe for 5 to 10 minutes and just invite you guys to go to a link, click, and watch a little video. That's what I want you to do. If you sign up with me, I'm going to email you the exact thing that I do every day to generate either signups in Live Good, and I have other opportunities that complement Live Good that put piles of cash in your pocket too, because you want multiple streams of income. You just want like little bits of money from Live Good. You want some other income coming in too, don't you? I know you do. I mean, I sure in the heck do. And it's all affordable and it's all easy. And everything I do is, it's all centered around setting something up one time and then inviting someone to click a link to watch a video. Video does all my recruiting, all my sales and everything. I feel guilty that I make money each month or each day or each week. And I like to do these videos because it makes me feel like I'm doing something. Because most of my businesses now, they're just in turnkey mode. Okay? And if you want to do that, awesome. You want time. You want freedom. You want to make some extra money or a whole lot of money. Okay? It's the same effort. Just make it fun. All right. Now, I'm going to show you on my screen. I just go to Vistaprint for $20. I made this card. I bought joincory.com. It was affordable. It was brand new, so I think I paid $11 at GoDaddy. And then GoDaddy, I just tell them for free to forward. Okay, remember I said I like to invite people to click something, joincory.com, then it goes to another page. Okay, why don't I just show you? So, and like I said, I want you to do exactly what I do. All right, I've signed up well over 400 people. I should have 500 people signed up by mid-summer. Okay, this is your page. If you join as an affiliate, $49.95 now, all right, invite people to this page. They're going to watch this little video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's our CEO. He talks about everything. He does all the recruiting. There's nothing left to do. Please let Ben in this video do everything. Then put your name and email right here. Click the orange button that says reserve my position now. And then go to your email, open it up, and then obviously open up the Live Good email. And boom, you can join from there. And if you don't join right away, Live Good once a day for 30 days. We'll send you one nice email talking about the opportunity. All right, giving you more education. If you want to join, do you want to buy the products? Do you want to be a member or an affiliate? Live Good does all of this. So if you're going to be an affiliate like myself and you don't want to email people or deal with autoresponders and setting things up, it's already built in. Isn't that nice? So do you have $9.95 a month? Or do you have $50 an hour you can join? All right, one time, $40 fee to be an affiliate. Guys, one and done, that's it. There's no more affiliate fee. That's it. And then you got $10 a month. Even if you want to take 6 months off in the summer and not do anything with Live Good, And then let's say in October, you want to go ahead and start paying $9.95 again. Guess what? You're a member again, but now you're an affiliate again. It's just like these tattoos that are 45 years old on this body of mine. All right, once you're an affiliate, that's it, $40. So if you have 50, please come aboard. I want to email you and just show you everything I do. All right, let's earn you some money. Or maybe this, you want this much? How much? That much? Okay, I'll show you what I do to get multiple streams of income. And it's all centered around this little baby called LiveGood. All right, but you got to join. All right, I'll give you an email. The company will give you an email. Let's get you set up. All right, let's make it fun. But do it now. It's winter time as I make this video. It's going into March, and good weather is going to be coming real soon around the whole country. Even Canada, Mexico, all over the place. I mean, there's some nice weather already in certain countries and states. But most people, it's still winter. And they're stuck at home and they want to make extra money and get in shape for summer. So now is the time to sign up. There's no competition in LiveGood. There's just none. All right? And you want to join something that has 50 to 60,000 people per month joining worldwide. Okay? Pretty cool, right? Let me just show you my card one more time if you guys don't mind. All right, joincory.com. That's all you got to do. Click this little link. And like I said, get a hold of me if you have a question. I don't think you will, because it's a very simple company. But do your searches for scam reports, LiveGood reviews, do everything you can. Look for me. I've got over 4,000 videos, most of them about LiveGood, just on my YouTube channel. You can find me on Facebook. I post about 10 to 15 times a day. It's my personal Facebook, too. I don't do business separate from my life. I want you to feel like you know me, hopefully you like me, and you trust me. All right, I put a lot of time into LiveGood, and that's because at the end of the day, it makes me this. I'm not stupid. I do like good health. All right, I want to flex like this and feel real good and healthy, but let's make no mistake. Let's be crystal clear. I like this. If I'm going to put time into something, I want this so I can buy a bunch of crazy stuff and put on my walls. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Inbox me on Facebook. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay? All right, thanks for the last 12 minutes and 30 seconds of your life, okay? All right, joincory.com. See you guys soon. Thanks again for your time. Bye.